just be. Oh yeah. And I walk through it and I let it cool down every time. Every time. I see somebody that did it yesterday. Somebody had glasses on, and he was beaten. That was you? Nah, this is another guy. I see somebody. I want to hear this shit.
So you broke your window yesterday?
I broke it the other day.
The other day?
Testing it, then yesterday it just made it worse at the show.
Man.
So hopefully it's good.
Have you ever thought about putting a pole to help?
That's what we're going to do that.
You're going to do that?
Enforce the roof, and this shit just breaking, man.
Yeah, that's the base head problems. So could you tell me real quick what all's in here?
I got a 370 Mechman. I got 3 dB depth bounce 15s. PRV speakers, tweeters, horns, Stetsome to panel amps, and a Powerus 15K on the bass.
15K. Yeah. Wow.
Wired at 0.67.
0.6. Did you build the wall?
My homeboy did.
You did? Okay. All right. Do you know the specs of the wall, the tuning?
Don't get me lying. I don't know.
You don't know? Don't worry about it.
Yeah, wait.
All right.
Everybody, emails playing?
Everybody's about to play. Yeah, we're good to demo now. It's 12. You want me to shut the door? Is it better? Door shutter open.
You could try it. Try it. I just don't want my windshield to break. Let me try.
Yeah, windows down. There you go.
I got a piece of glass in my hand.
Uh-oh.
Where remote at? You see on the remote.
Remote? Woohoo!
You see on the remote.
crazy, man. Oh gosh. Hey, you open the door, I'm stuck in here. Jesus. Dude, he's like, that thing.
Get a stripper pole. Hey, this time it won't rock.
Whoa. Jeez. Thank you for the demo, man. That's crazy. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.